Hey guys, today I'm going to be opening a squishy package, another squishy package. But I had my first ever squishy pack, this is my second. But my other squishy pack I couldn't get footage of. I'm sorry guys. There wasn't enough space and I opened it by the time. And we're going to use some scissors and open these squishies. I'm excited to see which ones I got because I hope I don't get any duplicates. Okay. So they're in here. It looks like I didn't get any duplicates. Definitely doesn't look like it. So I'm gonna open it. There's a bunch of phone straps in there. Okay. So let's do our first one. Our first one is a Hello Kitty donut. It has sprinkles in it. You can really feel that. Okay. Next I have this egg. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but it's an egg. That's all I know. And let's open it. Oh, I can barely get this out of the back. Okay, got it. So this is the egg. Okay. Next we have probably that one I'm guessing is not that squishy, but it's like a bread. It's really thin, that's why I think it's not going to be that squishy. So this is my bread. It's really sticky. Okay. Next I have this little emoji face that's making that face. Okay. So here it is. Next I have this hat or basket. Doesn't really squish that good, but let's take a squish. There's stuff like right here. If you feel the texture of this, it feels super hard. I don't think this is a squishy at all. This thing, it's not a squishy. Look, you hear that noise? Next I have a blue flower donut. Fast rising pretty much. Then I have this Hello Kitty with glasses. Okay. Next I have this other Hello Kitty with a hat. A lot of Hello Kitties today. Then I have this little piece of cake, I think. And they don't tell us what type of squishies they're getting. It's just random. Then I have this blue fat ice cream because I have a pink one already. So now I have a blue one. Without a keychain this time. Next I have this big orange panda bear. So here it is. Next I have this mini panda bear with a pink bow. I have one with a red bow, but this one has a pink one. So far I didn't get any duplicates. That's good. I almost ripped this thing. Or did I? Oops. I grabbed it too hard and I made a little crack in it that it opened the squishy, but it's okay. It still squishes. Then I have this face, kitty cat face. I don't really know what it is, but it's not really that slow rising, which is good. I don't like the slow rising ones. So here it is. Pretty fast rising. Next I have this cute turtle. I have a duplicate. I already got one that I already have, which is a bread. I might trade it in for one that I don't have, but my friend. Then I have this heart face. Oh, there's a lot of plastic bags here. Next I have this bear. I like it, it's cute. So then I have, ooh, look at this bread, it's cute. I might keep the plastic bags, so if I want to squish them in the bag, I can do that. Then I have this bear face. Pretty Soul Rising by looking at it. Ooh, this one looks so cool. It's a popsicle. You can feel the sprinkles. It looks cool, really cool. Here's the stick, and here's the popsicle. Okay. And then I have this smirk face. I have a duplicate, but my other smirk face is way lighter than this one. This one's a little darker yellow. I can't take it out. It's too sticky. Okay. Okay, it's out of the bag. Without ripping it. Here it is. Then I have this other donut. Then I have this weird face. Wait. Weird face squishy. It has little lines. Then I have this smiling face that's showing their teeth. It's a fast rising squishy. Then I have this mini croissant. My friend has the big size. Looks like it came with some extras. I'll show you. I have this sandwich that's bitten already. It says, "Eat me." You can't really tell, but it says, "Eat me" on the sandwich. Then I have this other Hello Kitty. It's a bunch of Hello Kitties with green glasses. Ooh. Here it is. Oh, that's a lot of squishy. Then I have this pink paw. I already have the blue one, so I have the pink one. Superhero. So that's it. Most of these don't have keychains on them. I think all of them don't have keychains on it. That's what it looks like. Then I have this green kitty face. Then I have this vanilla ice cream. I already have this one, but with a keychain. And it's kind of darker, this one. So I have a couple of duplicates. I only have 2. So that's fine. And our last and final one is a macaroon. I have the brown macaroon. And it's really dense. You'll see. It's really dense. So that's all my squishies, but let me show you the extras. It came with these Hello Kitty stickers. It also came with all these foam straps.
Dunkin' Donuts.
Bye.
Oh, it looks like a